Hello all. Most of us think like price and cost both are same thing, but those are not. In this video, we are going to discuss on price and cost while choosing any software solution for your business. Please do subscribe by clicking below red button so as you will not miss any updates about our videos. Price is one which you pay only once, whereas cost is something which you keep on paying lifetime. Let me give a real life example. If you brought a car with low amount but you are paying lot of money for maintenance of that car, even the fuel economy of that car is not good. It means that car is more costly. Similarly, if you have brought a software solution for your business, or if you have outsourced your work to software vendor, and if you are paying lot of money for its maintenance, its support activities, so it is a costly affair. It is always good to choose a software solution where you won't be paying a lot of money in maintenance or support or activities for that. Instead of that, you should invest more amount at the start of that project so as it will be good at price terms rather than cost terms. Hence, it is important to choose software product or software solution for your business, having more investment at start, but it might be a less costly affair for you. Never reject custom software development assignments just because initial investment is more. It will benefit you for longer term. Whereas if you will not choose proper software solutions at the start or proper vendor at the start, it will be a big costly affair for your business. Remember, you should invest for long-term benefits and look forward for price rather than cost.